Hi, this is Amelia from Vidnoz team. Today I'll show you how to make video with free AI models in a few steps. You can find lots of AI models here and you can select anyone we want, pick one, and we'll move to the next step. Here you are able to have a preview of whom we chose just now. You can edit the model with other details, like their view, language, and speech speed. Now choose the layout that fits your device or video style. In this page, you can add lots of things here: scenes, models changing, shapes, texts, customized materials, music, and so on. After all the changes, click Preview button at the top right corner to review if there is anything needs to be modified. Then, click on Generate button and wait for your piece of work. Here is the brief tutorial of how you may make a basic AI model video, and we will show you more tricks in our future tutorials. Come and have try what's new here.